Good afternoon from my mom's house. Hello, Mom. Say hello. So I'm getting into the car and we are actually I am going to the beach. My mom is dropping me off. My mom is on her lunch break and she's doing me a favor and dropping me off at a public beach so I can go swimming. I feel like I'm on a solo trip because nobody's available today, but it's okay. I'm gonna try my best. I know this is things people do, like they go on solo trips and they like go to do things on their own, and I've never really done that. I just won't go, but today's different. This trip is different. Did you put the AC on? It's hot.
You're not even on the beach yet.
So today is a really hot day. Today is a beautiful day.
Skies are clear.
Skies are clear. Sun is out. It's hot. It's 86. What did Echo say?
Yeah.
86 degrees Fahrenheit, which is maybe. I just saw a chicken fly up in the bush. But yeah, it's maybe in the 30s. Early 30s degrees Celsius. And yeah, so I'm on my way to 7 Mile Beach / the Westin Resort / Governor's Beach / it ain't what it used to be, but but that's
hashtag
okay.
If you know, you know.
Hashtag if you know, you know. But yeah, just gonna go get some sun, get some sand, get some salt water in my system, and grab a drink too. I'm really out here by myself, like filming, but whatever. Honestly, we're just gonna do it. So yeah, I'm gonna try and like find a spot and enjoy a nice beach day. I got this from like a random convenience store, but it doesn't even matter. Alright guys, so I got me a drink. It's like, it has tequila and it has, that's all that matters. After I finish this, I'm gonna go in the water. One other tip for Cayman Islands, at least, I'm sure other places, but as a tourist, anything that you purchase at a restaurant, bar, whatever, it includes gratuity, which means it includes the tip. So you don't need to tip on top unless you really want to, but yeah. Just know that. Guys, I'm in the water taking a chance. But yeah, I'm so happy and just feels so good to be in the seawater. So I don't know if you guys can hear me, but yeah, I'm in the beach, in the ocean. Such a beautiful day. There's boat tours, jet skis out, everybody's out. Like, I feel sorry for people that are at work right now, you know what I mean? Even that are from here, because it's a nice day. It's been really dark the last few days, so for it to be nice and sunny today, it's great. And look how clear the water is. This is another favorite thing. You can literally see my whole body. So it's amazing. it is. Oh, she brought snorkels. Oh no. All right. So, my mom has arrived. What you guys think?
Me?
Just
I can't wait to get in the water, but first I'm gonna drink my Cayman Ocean.
yeah, we got 2 Cayman Oceans, which is like coconut rum, white rum,
pineapple juice.
pineapple
White
juice.
rum?
I saw 2
Yeah.
rums. 2
Blue,
rums.
blue curacao.
Yeah.
So it should look like a lot of blue.
Should be beautiful. Beautiful. We'll see. He's gonna get our drinks now. And then we're gonna go for a quick dip. And then that's gonna be it for today.
Yeah, because the mosquitoes start their shift shortly. No, wait. Ooh.
Yay.
This is pretty. Oh, that's beautiful.
Outside the ocean, right?
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Perfect.
Thank you, Sean.
Enjoy the water, alright?
Alrighty,
Thank you.
Cheers, Aziza.
Oh. You ready for a boomerang?
I just put that in.
You ready? Yeah, got it. Okay, I'm finally leaving the beach for real this time. You're dancing? When you're not staying at the resort, but you act like it.
Take you at the sunset.
All right, guys, signing off now. Here's the sunset. Yeah, it was a good day. Very relaxing. Very chill. Guys, there are so many crabs around. I'm trying to face my fears. I'm trying to face my fears. Okay, all right. Let's go. Let's go.
Got enough?
Jesus Lord. They're all over. As long as they're scared of me. But yeah, they're really out.
Here we have Canadian, Caymanian, Kayla about to drive, about to roll out. 6 o'clock on the dot, drop top.
Yeah, so let's get in. Let's get in the car.
There.
So in Cayman, am I really close? In Cayman, we drive on the left side of the road.
Yes, we do.
It's my first time. You better put on your seatbelt.
I just want to say, just in case this is the last time you hear from me, I love you, Cassius. I love you, Kuro. Take care of each other.
What about me?
I love you, Kayla.
What am I surviving?
I trust you, Kayla.
All right, that's what. Wow, you have to do things with your left hand. Wow.
You're going to put your back end out that way because we're going that way.
I know how to drive. I just never drove on the left side of the road.
You heard it here first, folks. So you're going to stay on the left. You're coming onto a main road.
Mm-hmm.
Put on your indicator, which is located on the other side of the steering wheel.
So, okay. Turn off the blinkers.
And just stay right here.
Why am I not scared?
I'm not sure because I'm approaching all these red lights, so
Jesus,
please.
I'm about to go around my first roundabout.
The chickens crossing the road, they even waited.
We made it home safe and sound. My mom was freaking out for no reason.
Praying hands emoji, praying hands emoji.
But yeah, I'm gonna end the day vlog here because I don't know what else I'm doing really, if it's gonna be interesting or not. But we'll see you next time.
Bacchanal, they gon' get.
See you guys tomorrow.
The whole place mash up, mash up.